welcome back to Campos Coffee. I'm Will Young, your home barista, here to talk about pouring milk into coffee. There's a few things just to keep in mind. Main thing is you want to bring the brown crema up to the top of the glass when you're pouring the coffee, so that's very important. You don't want to end up with a white top on your coffee. Then the coffee will taste like milk instead of tasting like coffee. What you want to do is always use very freshly stretched milk. Don't let the milk sit around for a long time after you finished stretching it. Just use it right away. You'll have a lot less issues. Let's get stuck into it. So you've got 3 stages to making the latte art. The first stage is you start the pour right in the middle of the crema. Hold the pour still, build up the color base. That's the first stage. Second stage is you move the pour around, and that loosens everything up. That's kind of like, we call that mapping. And the third stage is wobble the pattern out right in the middle. And that's it. So it's pretty simple, but the main thing is holding the pour, building up the color base. The second part is you move the pour around to loosen up the crema and get it all ready to make latte art. And then the third part is just wobble out the pattern. You're not drawing a pattern, you're just wobbling it out and it's pouring itself. So don't draw a pattern, you're not going, there's a branch, there's another branch, no, you just wobble it out and it'll pour itself out. So wobble it out, it'll make that kind of motion inside your jug as you're moving, and then just finish. And that's all you get. But you want to aim to have rich brown head on top of the coffee, and that means that's going to taste beautiful every time. Yum, oh, great. The first sip tastes like stunning coffee. I'm happy. Your customers will be happy, your family will be happy. It's a good day.